In a quiet town where dreams lay still, rose a place upon the hill. Greta's light began to shine, training hearts and shaping minds. From early dawn to setting sun, lessons deep yet full of fun, hands-on skills and wisdom's flame. Many lives would never be the same. Greta, Greta, forever your name, etched in our hearts. You light the spark, you fan the flame. With every course we start anew. From fear to flight, trusting Greta our guide. Greta, Greta, wherever we go, spreading the blessings for all to know. From kitchens to building plans, to guiding young and eager hands, trainers kind with voices warm, molding futures far from norm. They said you can and we believe, through every trial we achieve, with every skill a step we climb, one small dream at a time. Equipped with tools we walk out the door, with courage never held before. From shadows into morning's gleam, each one carries Greta's dream, for all to grow, for all to grow. Greta, Greta, forever your name, etched in our hearts. You light the spark, you fan the flame. With every course we start anew. From fear to flight, trusting Greta our guide.